Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you again with another powerful weight loss drink. Now, this is part of the 30 pounds in 30 days video. And in this, I'm going to show you how to blend, how to mix, how to juice a concoction that's going to help you to shed 30 pounds in 30 days. This is just another spin on how to make it more flavorful and enjoyable as you are losing your weight, okay? So let me show you this powerful weight loss drink, and it's also going to detox your body because it's going to have you going. So you will be going to the bathroom, you will be flushing out your body. So let me show you how to make this quick and easy detox drink. All right, so what you're going to need to start off with is a cucumber. A large cucumber would be best because when you use a cucumber this size, you're going to get lots of juice, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking to get a lot of water content extract from this. So what I'm going to do is just start this off by cutting my cucumbers into pieces. Now today I'm going to be using my NutriBullet, my personal size one, and I'm going to be using my big mug. My big mug. Flavorful ways to lose weight. Now I'm going to start this off by just blending this down because I'm not going to be using my juicer today. So this is another way that you can juice your food, or should I say, this is another way to extract the juices from your fruits and vegetables. Okay, so let's start to blend it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour this inside my strainer. Okay, so for those of you who have asked, who have mentioned that you don't have a juicer, this is another way to juice your fruits and vegetables. You may not get as much from it this way, but you will get your juice. Make sure when you strain it that you use a strainer that's very fine. I had to switch my strainer because the last one, the holes were still kind of big and a lot of my pulp was still going into my liquid. More flavor, I'm going to add in about a cup of my blueberries. If you have frozen blueberries, that's okay. And I'm going to use about a half a cup of my raspberries. Now these were frozen, I thawed them out. I'm also going to add in some of my real lemon juice, and I'll probably just do a squirt, which is about a teaspoon. And I'm going to add in about a cup of my distilled water. Okay. And I'm going to juice this down.
Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement.
If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the link to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below. And what you have is a delicious, powerful weight loss drink full of antioxidants, full of nutrients, minerals, vitamins, okay, all right, and full of fiber. Fiber. This is delicious. This I call my berry blast because you have the different types of berries in it, and this is delicious. Like I said, you drink this in the morning as a breakfast smoothie. You follow up after that for lunch with a very healthy meal. All right, eat healthy, clean meals when you do these weight loss drinks and these weight loss smoothies, because you will see more results. You will get more benefits when you do it that way. But this is another one of these awesome drinks to put into your arsenal of powerful weight loss drinks that can help you to shed 30 pounds in 30 days, okay? So you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also trying to lose weight. Share them, and don't forget to check down below in my Amazon affiliate links for the links for the personal size and full size blenders, metal straws, and so much more. Also check out my eBay store where you will get wonderful herbs, spices, and honeys and tonics for weight loss and building up your body, okay? And don't forget to check my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, for beauty care, hair care, skin care, and family vlogs. You'll see us all over there, okay? So you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect expect from it, okay? You're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original and it's only seen on this channel, okay? So like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun, okay? And I will see you in the next video.